Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saida Aisha. Chemistry of Inner Transition Elements is the unit which comes under the inorganic chemistry part of the BSc syllabus. In this session, I would like to discuss the general survey of actinides, the comparison with lanthanides and the transuranic elements. First, let us have a general survey of the actinides. The term actinide series has been derived from the first element of the series, which is actinium. The actinide series elements which range in the periodic table from atomic number 89 to 103 belong to this actinide series. When we consider the position in the periodic table, they are placed below the lanthanides in the long form of the periodic table. The series of elements from thorium having an atomic number of 90 to lawrencium with an atomic number of 103, in which the 5f orbitals are progressively filled, are called as actinides. These elements are called actinides because many of the physical and chemical properties are similar to actinium, which is the prototype of the actinides. We can observe that all the elements present in the actinide series are radioactive in nature. They release a large amount of energy on the radioactive decay. Uranium and thorium are found to be the most abundant naturally occurring actinides on Earth, whereas plutonium is synthetically obtained. These elements are used in nuclear reactors and nuclear weapons. Uranium and thorium have diverse current uses, whereas americium is used in ionization chambers of the modern smoke detectors. In the periodic table, we can see that lanthanides and actinides are shown as two separate rows below the main periodic table. The general electronic configuration of lanthanides is the configuration of the inert gas, which is radon 5F 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S2. Here, radon is the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Let us have a comparison between the lanthanides and the actinides. First, let us see how are the lanthanides similar to the actinides. Both the lanthanides and actinides belong to the F block, as the last electron or the differentiating electron enters to the n-2 F orbitals. The elements in both the series exhibit +3 oxidation state. Lanthanides show lanthanide contraction and the elements in the actinide series show actinide contraction. Lanthanides and actinides have low electronegativity values and are found to be very reactive. They exhibit paramagnetic nature. These are the similarities between the lanthanides and the actinides. In continuation with the comparison of lanthanides and actinides, let us see some of the differences which are found between lanthanides and actinides. We can say that in lanthanides, the last electron or the differentiating electron enters the 4f orbital, whereas in actinides, we can say that the last electron occupies the 5f orbital. Lanthanides are the elements of the first inner transition series, whereas actinides are the elements of the second inner transition series. Lanthanides are present in 6th period, whereas actinides are present in the 7th period. Most of the lanthanides, with the exception of promethium, occur in nature. Most of the actinides, with the exception of uranium and thorium, are prepared in the laboratory. Lanthanides, with the exception of promethium, are non-radioactive, whereas on the other hand, actinides are radioactive. When we consider the binding energy in lanthanides, it is found that the binding energy of 4f electrons is more, whereas the binding energy of the 5f electrons in actinides is found to be less. The shielding effect found in lanthanides is more. On the other hand, the shielding effect in actinides is found to be less. The compounds present in the lanthanide series are less basic, whereas the compounds of actinides are found to be more basic. Lanthanides have 6 shells, actinides have 7 shells. In addition, there are few more differences between the lanthanides and the actinides, which include lanthanides have less tendency to form complexes, whereas the actinides have greater tendency to form complexes. Some of the ions present in the lanthanides are colored, whereas most of the ions present in the actinides are deeply colored. Lanthanide hydroxides are less basic in nature, whereas actinide hydroxides are more basic in nature. The next topic in this session is the transuranic elements. The elements in the periodic table having an atomic number greater than 92, that is, the atomic number of uranium greater than the atomic number of uranium, are called as transuranic elements. Example being neptunium and many others. We can say that the transuranic elements are radioactive and can be synthesized by bombarding a heavy element with a light particle or element. These are some of the references which have been used for the preparation of this session on the general survey of actinides, its comparison with lanthanides and the transuranic elements. I thank you all for hearing this session. Thank you.